Hi, welcome all. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the three interesting chart setups to focus on. State Bank of India, a make or break. Current market price 593.60. Can it move past and sustain above 598 to 600 levels? Stop loss 578. The next stock on the radar is granules. 311 current market price, a bullish setup, stop loss 288. PVR current market price 1440, a bottoming out signal, good risk reward play, stop loss 1350. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, comment. Not yet subscribed our channel Wealth Wizards? Do subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you. Happy investing. Take care.